Welcome all. This is the fourth class for double integrals. We'll start with one example. Now, this is the question 0 to 36 square root of x to 4, 1 upon y cube plus 2 dy dx. Here, seeing the question, you need to decide what are the limits of x and what are the limits of y. Yeah. So, naturally, you would like to do this way, right? First dy, then with respect to dx.
Yes.
Okay. So, if I write this way, that is equal to 0 to 36 dx will come here. X limits are 0 to 36 and you need to integrate this to 4 1 upon y power 3 plus 2 dy. It's tough to integrate this one now because we are using integration for our course. Okay, we are not studying integration because you can go deep and solve a lot of problems. You can master integration, but that's not required. So we'll not go to this one. Power 3 is there, 2 is there, and you do it. So it might be a bit long. Yeah, we have partial fraction method, other methods you need to use. Here we are not doing any kind of, changing the order of integration or something like that. You need to evaluate. So although it's not given for you to change the order of integration, we should try changing the order of integration and see if that is comparatively, I'm saying, easier. Yeah. So let's try to change the integration. Okay. Because the integration with respect to y is a bit tough here. You don't feel that? Bit tough. So we'll see if changing the integration will help. Here it's difficult, but we can do. In some cases, you will not be able to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So then you need to try the other way. This is the origin. And if you see, we have 0 to 36.
Yeah.
And y square root of x.
Mm.
Y square root of x. 3 are lines actually. One is y0, y36. I can do this way. This is my y0. Y0.
How did we assume y is 0 and not
Sorry, x0, x36. Okay.
Yeah.
Y0. Then y square root of x. What is that? Y square root of x. You square both the sides. It's c, right? Or this. I think this one, u. X square is there. X can take negative, positive both the sides, right? Okay. Y square is x. Okay. Then it will be like this. Okay. However, we have only one part. If you divide this into two parts, if you want to know the whole part equation, this one, individually, y square root of x, that is one part. And this part equation will be y minus square root of x. Remember that in the last class, circle equation, it was y square root of 25 minus x square.
Yeah.
Other part y minus square root of 25 minus x. Similarly here also. Okay. The total is this, y square is x. So which one I will take here? The upper one, right? Okay. Not easier. We have to take the upper one. Yeah, plus is there. No? Nothing is there means plus the upper part, minus is the lower part. Let me erase this one. Now, y square root of x given means you know that it's one part. And if you know the whole one, you have to square it and you have to check. Now, this part, right? Let me write y square root of x and x36. You need to find the point of intersection as well. No, y square root of x to y4. Okay, x0 to 36. This is x0, then x36. Y will go from square root of x to y4. So you have to know whether you will get line here or here, right? No, why you will take? Who said to take on this line? You have to take 4, right? Yeah. So that you will be able to know if you solve this equation, if you find the point of intersection. What is that? Okay, so let me write it. Square root of x, right? No, you see the lines x36 and y is square root of x. So x is 36 here and y will be 6, 36, 6. No, it's not me saying. Whenever you are solving and finding point of intersection, you have to consider 2. Will not bring something from any other side. No. I am finding the point of intersection between these two. So I have to solve these two equations. That's all.
Yeah, okay.
36, 6.
Okay.
Next one is, now we'll see, we know that the height is 6 here. This is 36, right? This length is 36 and this height is 6, right? Yeah. So if you write this way, if I write this x limits 0 to 36 and y limits, let me write xy dy, y limits square root of x to 4. So y square root of x, y4. These are the y limits. X limits are 0 to 36. So y square root of x to y4. Y4. So y4 means this is 6. So it will be somewhere here. Y4 means this much. And where it will intersect to this curve also we have to see. When y4, x will be 16, right? Right. So 16,4. This point is 16,4. This is the point of intersection, this curve and this line. This point we know already, 36,6. So 16 will be somewhere here. Because 4 is there, we have to consider this is, yeah, this is 4, that's fine. So this is 16,4. This point is 16,4. Are you sure? See, this point of intersection, when you are finding, you have two curves, right? I mean, one straight line. What is the equation of this straight line? Okay, y is equal to 4. But we were finding what? This line where it will cross this. Okay, if y is 4, if you put y4, yeah, square root of 16 is 4, be y4. Okay, so y is actually square root of x to 4, square root of x to 4, and x is between 0 to 36, 0 to 36. Okay, so tell me which one now. Yeah, it's a random question, so that's how people ask it. Okay, there's a chance that one will get a mistake here. So what will happen is, I think this curve is there, right? This curve, you select first two lines, 0 to 36. So whatever you select, that must be between this line and this line. Okay, and root x to 4, you have to check y. When you go this way, first this one, right? Yes, this to this. See, root x to 4. No. So if you go here, then from here, where you go? No, root x, that's starting point, right? Nothing. From here, where 4 will come? Down.
No, below. Yeah.
So then it will be 4 to root x, right? If 4 to root x is given, you have to take this one. Root x to 4 means, it will start from this curve, okay? Means this part only. Because after this, you will not take. See, the highest limit is 4, right? The highest, you can't go beyond 4. We'll do one thing. I'll draw once again here. Yeah, maybe you will do something like this. If you do this way, then you will get this one, okay? Because 16 is a long distance, 36 is also quite big. So 16 is still, you have a long here. Anyway, let's do this way, fine. So we got this area, okay?
Yeah.
And then we have to change the order of integration, right? So now write dy. You write in the terms of dy and dx. You try to keep the area between two lines parallel to x-axis. Okay, these are the two lines. Then the limits of y will be 0 to 4, right? And you have to go this way. This is the small area here. And this is y-axis. X will be 0 here. Then x here. What is x here? No, y is root x. Okay. So now you try to integrate with respect to x. This function, whatever is there. This, okay. 1 by y3 plus 2 dx, limits of x are 0 to y square, right?
Yeah.
So this will be, this is a constant now. Integration of dx is x and x between 0 to y square. So first put y square here. It became so easy, right? Can you think integrating this with respect to y? Now see, now finally we got this with respect to y. It's so easy. Differentiation is there, right? You make it 1 by 3, or you can take u also. Why to take u? 3y square is the differentiation of y cube plus 2. You can write log. If numerator is the differentiation of the denominator, we write log, right? It will be ln 66 minus ln 2. That's all. ln 33. 1 by 3 ln 33. That is the answer. Yeah, because I wanted to check whether y cube plus 2, if you differentiate, you are getting 3y square or not. You are getting, so 3 is deficit here. So you multiply and divide. 2 is there, plus 2 is there. Pardon? Individual, if you think in this problem, there are 3 parts here. First, you need to understand that it's hard to integrate. So you will try the other way. You need to do integration by parts. And when you do integration by parts, there are 2 areas here. So which area need to take? So you have to remember that it's from the down to the top, and point of intersection also you are finding. So whatever you studied, the things are getting revised here.
Okay.
And third part is, if the numerator is the differentiation of the denominator, then you have to take ln. Even if you forget this, you can take u and you will get ultimately du. But in any case, you should know that the differentiation you are seeing y cube 3y square that way, right? 1 upon x, what is integration of this? Yes, ln x. Because the numerator is the differentiation of denominator, you write log x. Although directly you can do, because ln x differentiation is 1 by x, integration of 1 by x will be ln x, that is always there. However, you can remember, whenever you forget this formula, x differentiation 1, so integration is ln of the denominator. Because we have definite integration here. Yeah. This is called definite integration, where you have limits. Yeah, that way only it will go, okay. I mean, most of the time you will see that the downturn will come, then you have to make up your mind. That way it will go. No, this one I want to discuss more, okay? Because you express something. See, first of all, are you able to see this? Your area, your line is fixed, okay? Now, these are the two lines, 0, 36, okay? Let me write here. Suppose this is x0, these are the parallel lines, x0, x36, okay? Then what you have? Y starts from 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, draw that line.
Yeah.
Y4. 3, yeah. Okay. No, y root x to 4 or 4 to root x? Yeah, root x to 4, okay? So, this is my last one. This line is final one, okay? 4 is the final one. All right. From somewhere I have to go to 4, right? Okay. So let me write y4. Now, you need another line, okay? And if this is y4, you have to recognize that y0 is also there, right? This is y0. Do you agree? Okay. y0 and then y4, x0, x36. So this must be origin. Up to this, it's over, right? Now, this point also we can write. What is that point? And what is this point? This is 0, 4. Okay. Now, I have a curve y is square root of x, right? Now, check whether this curve will pass through this point or not, 36, 4. No, right? It will pass through 0, 4? No. It will pass through 0, 0, yes. Okay. Now, on 0, 4, 36, 4, do you have any point through which this curve can pass? Yeah, the relation is square root, okay? So, x is greater or y is greater? X should be greater, right? Okay, y is fixed on this line, right? So, yes. For what value of x, y will be 4? 16. So, 16, 4, it will pass through 16, 4, right?
Yes.
Are you sure it will pass through 16, 4? Okay. So, you tell me 16, 4 point where it will be. Why I am interested in 4? Tell me. Yeah, that is the reason. And also on this line, y is 4 always. Because the equation of the graph is y4. On this line, y will be 4 every time. Even if I write here.
Yeah, everywhere y is 4.
Minus to 4. Okay, something like this.
Yeah.
So we have a point here on this line that is 16, 4. Okay.
Correct.
So I will go almost halfway. 36 half is 18, right? So 16 will come somewhere here.
Yep.
So this is 16, 4. Okay. Now you have to draw the graph which will pass through this point. Okay. Now let me do this way. Oh no, it will go this way, right? Okay. Fine. Even it will cross this also. At what point? You have to solve two equations, right? Which equation? Right. This curve and this line. Point of intersection. You solve equation y square root of x and x36. You have to solve these two equations. Y square root of x.
36 and 6.
36. So 36 and 6. Okay. Let me write this one as well. Now we're 100% sure that two lines are there. See in red, this line, this line. Okay. You have to choose between these two only. Okay. Will not go beyond this. You will not go beyond this, right? Will not go beyond this also. Y4 will not go beyond this. Because highest value of y is 4. It is also not there. Okay. Now within these two lines, we'll start our journey. Let's start this way. Where we'll reach first? Y0. This is not a part. This is not a part. You tell me what are the limits of y. What is the first one? Tell me.
4.
No. It's root. Root x to 4. Root x. So when you go here, okay, you have to see before this line, not after this line. Red means it's not allowed. Okay. So there is red light. So naturally, when you are going,
so we come to the curve.
You will come here. You will come here, right? Then you go here. That's over this area. Because this is our final one, 4. You can't go beyond 4. So even this curve also, you can say this is not required. You can't go beyond 4. So this is the final area. So when you say you have a bit of concern, yes, that is true. Because everything is used here. equation of a line, how to find the point of intersection of two lines, and where is the curve situated, it's above the line or below the line, whole lot of things are there. Okay, so it's natural that some problem will come. So you need not worry. Yeah, because the problems are fixed, the whatever problems are there, those things you are supposed to do. So this is the area. Now when you come from this side, it's easy. This is one, these two lines, right? Once you know the area bounded, then it will be
0.
Yeah, that we've already done. Selecting this area, that one was a bit difficult. Yeah, I understand that. Even for these problems, people ask, and the teachers take money. I'll tell you how. This is the problem: dx dy 0 to 3 x square to 9, and now you know that the limits of y are x square to 9, right? The problem with this is you can do directly. You have to use changing the order of integration, because this is an integral where you will not be able to express this in terms of a function of y. That means it's not an integrable function. Y square is not an integrable function, let me tell you. Yeah. If you take u also, then what will happen? U will be equal to y square. Then we don't have a derivative here. So du upon dy will be 2y. And here we have dx, right? Du upon dy. Oh, sorry. I have to write y. 2y dy. So dy is du upon 2y. Now if you see this, the y will not vanish. Half you can take out. This y is square root of u. So in any way, this will be there. So you will not be able to do this one. You will not be able to do this one. So there is no way, because this is a standard integration. You can say integrand, which you will not be able to solve. I know. So you can do directly. You have to use changing the order of integration here. Yeah. Then see, if you have something like this is y square 2y dy, then you'll be able to do, because for u y square 2y dy will be du, or du by 2y, you write 2y will get cancelled, then you will get the answer. Okay, but only e y square is not integrable. This is not integrable. How about e power 2x plus 3? Is it integrable, or 2y plus 3 dy?
Yeah.
Yes, du, if you write, even if nothing is there, du by dy will be a function of, sorry, it's only a constant, y by du, right? Sorry, du by 2, du by 2, yeah. So there is no other way here. There even, remember the integration was 1 by y cube plus 2, right? Still it's possible, you can integrate this. But here is a problem where you will not be able to integrate. The integration is not there. If I write 1,000 problems, you will be able to integrate 4 or 5 maybe. All functions are not integrable. If I give any functions, you can find differentiation, but the opposite process is not true. If I write anything, you will suppose I write this way. Students normally feel this way. The math students, those who study graduation or post graduation, they think that whatever you write, there is an integration. If I write anything like this,
that's difficult.
Who is there in the world will solve this? It's not integration. How this is possible, you tell me? So not all functions are integrable. This is something one has to recognize. If we have a book, something is given, that means it's integrable. Now coming to the double integration scenario, although it's not integrable, but
if we reverse it,
yes, we'll do that. Okay.
So let's first set up the
0 to 3. Okay. 0 x3. Then now y is x square. It will start from x square. Y is x square. Okay. So which one? This one, right? Yeah, x both sides there. Plus minus y will be always positive. So yeah, this is correct. And what is the point of intersection with 3? 3 means it will be 9. Okay. Yeah, you draw this graph. Then y3. No, yx square, y9. Yeah. No, I didn't draw the line. Okay. Where I need to draw, tell me. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now you see we have this side and this side as well, because it's not root. Both the sides we have. Okay. Now tell me the area bounded by all this. Okay, so you are specifying this. Yes, this is correct. Okay, this is correct. So change the order of integration now. First of all, you prepare your train lines. Okay. Yeah. Where you will reach first? Yes. Okay, this is over. Then this line, right? Tell me what is x here. Sorry, not x. Yeah, x. I have written wrongly. Why? What is x here? Yeah, from this graph we got, right? Right. Yeah, we have to do this now. 0 and 9, these are the two lines, right? I've written the equations here. And this 9 I got from this. because this point is 3, 9, what will happen is this distance is 3, this distance is 9, right? So this distance is 9. So when I write some equation like parallel line, I see this distance. If this is 5, the equation of the line will be y is equal to 5, right? Y is 5 at each point, right? It will vary, but y will not vary because we have taken 5 above, so y will be 5 all the time. Yeah. Yeah, y square by 4. Yeah. Yes. But this is still not a very easy integration. Okay. But it's integrable. But yeah, but it's integrable. No, y would have been better, but we got y square unfortunately. Y would have been better. If you write it x raw, then it will be x square by 2. Then you can write y, then it will be easy integration. If you change the question, which one?
This one is
yeah. This one will change. Okay, this one will change. That is not the problem. This was a mistake, but the problem is, yes. But still it's integrable. Yeah, yeah. Square. Let me write e y square d. Up to this, it's over, right? Okay. Once you have done integration, then you can put the limits. The integration part is there, right? Yeah. Yeah, uv. But you keep y here and 2y e y square together. This way only you can do. This is the only way. Yes. This is first function. This is second function. Independently, e power y square is always a problem. And when you multiply 2 here, you make it 1 by 8. Okay, let me do here only 1 by 8. You will not know. That comes with experience. Yeah. But in actual exams, the type of integrations are mostly, I'm saying, 99.9% fixed. Okay. Once you solve 200 to 250 problems, that's all. That much only. Yeah. Although they say a lot of things, it's not like that. It's not infinite, it's finite. But when you do, I mean, if you go deep into integration, you might have a lot of variety. First function, what is integration of this one? ey square. Can you recognize this? Yeah, EU, DU, integration EU, right?
And
yeah, that is there. So the whole integration is e power y square. This also directly you can remember. See, forget about the other way I said. You remember this way. This integration will be e power y just because differentiation of this is this. See, always you can do integration as the reverse process of differentiation. Okay. So we know that the integration of this is this one minus integration of differentiation of first y is 1. Integration of second e y square dy. I didn't get you. Yeah. But still not done. Okay. No, this way also it's not done. Because e y square again you need to integrate. That problem is there, which is not integrable. It's not done. We have to try other ways. Yeah, that's what. Again, we have the problem now. No, y square, e power y square is not integrable. Okay, so let's go to the square one once again. This way it didn't work. So you change whatever way it was. Let's try this way. Y square, you keep 1 by 4 and you take this as first function and this is second function. It increase, right? 2y. Okay, 2y. See, first function. Okay, here. But it's increasing again. No, this is not done. No, this is wrong, right? You can't integrate e power 3. It's increasing, right? Y power is increasing, yeah. Not y square. You got y4, something like that. Okay, you tell me within integration what was there. The second term you tell me. So you have a y4th power and y square power, right? Yeah, so y4 e power y square, how can you integrate this then? I don't think so. See, this one we have taken first function, right? First function, and integration of second y cube by 3, right? Minus integration of differentiation of first 2y e power y square to y cube by 3. So y cube y multiplied y4th you got. And e power y square. You need to integrate once again this one. You have y cube by 3. Where that will go? No, not separately. It's not possible. Leave it. I went the other way. Let's check if possible. Otherwise, we'll see because the question again, it's not a
integrable function.
No, I can say that now. I have to check more. Yeah, I can say that if it's possible, we'll do this. Otherwise, we'll see. We'll keep it pending.
Okay.
So this we are doing last time, right? First function integration of second minus integration of differentiation of first into integration of second, right?
Correct.
Okay. So if I take this a is equal to y e y square minus minus
integration
e y square dy.
Minus.
No. Integration of this is direct e y square, right? I've written that only. Differentiation of first, integration of second. That's all. No, integration of this, we know directly that is ey square. So integration of this is ey square, that's all. And difference is, yeah. So this term I want to take this side, okay? Then minus term with integration, that will be plus ey square dy. Yeah. We have ey square dy plus in a we have 2y square ey square dy. Two integrations are there, that is y into e power y square. The next problem came. So here to check whether I'm going infinite path or y into e power y square. Okay, that will also create a problem. If I take uv, yeah, that is also the problem. Yeah, I don't think we have to check from here if there is some problem. To check from here. Here there is nothing, right? We have only e y square, and it's 0 to root y. Okay, 0 to x is square root of y. Yeah, let's keep it pending. Okay.
Okay.
I will see. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Because I wrote the question first. I don't know whether if I have left something or like that.
Understood.
I have to check this question. Okay.
Okay.
Only I will confirm. We have another question. Let's do that.
Okay.
This question. This is the last question. Example 3, where E is bounded by these 3.
Okay.
Yeah. Y is equal to y is equal to x. We can draw. Oh, that will bisect the angle.
Yeah.
This maybe, and the other one, this one. Oh, we have yx, y2x as well. Okay. So y2x means it will be like this, or maybe, yeah.
So the lower one is
yx, right? And x plus y2, this one, right? Yeah, this one, x plus y is equal to 2. This point is 2. This point is 0, 2. Now bounded by these 3 actually. Okay. We have no reference to any axis here. Yeah. So tell me how to do. Okay. Tell me the area first of all. Do you agree with this bounded by this, the triangle? Okay. Then you set the limits. If you go this way, what will happen from here to here? You have to draw a parallel line, right? But can you see the problem here? You can draw a parallel line. That will not create a problem. The problem will be that there are two, right? If you go here, there are 2 such lines. I mean, 2 areas. From here, how you go? This will be 1 and this will be 1. Because what will happen is, yeah, this will be the 1. No, before drawing, you have to, I mean, initially you have to start this way. Dx, x will be between, this is x0, and here x will be, the point of intersection we need to find, right? Here x plus y is 2, and what is this line? Y is x, right? So 1, 1. So then x is 1, 1, 1. So initially you have to set limit like this. Then x plus y d. Then you know that you have still another problem. Then you can, when you start going this way, you will come across 2 graphs, right? See, this will not stay here because this is not a part of the graph, right? Yeah, here you are there. Okay. So from here you go this side or this side. That is the problem. No, you would not. You would not.
Okay.
You have to divide into 2 parts. See, I've divided already.
Yeah, understood.
We'll find the point. Yeah, this point you should find so that you will be able to know what is the line. Okay, y is x here, y is x here, and okay, we can get from this actually. X plus y is 2 and y is 2x. Okay, x plus y is 2, y 2x. You put 2x, 3x is 2, x is 2 by 3. You do it yourself. 2 by this point is 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. 4 by 3. Now divide this one. This is a and this is b. Okay. You tell me what is the equation of the middle line. So I got at least 0 to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 to 1. 0 to 2 by 3. And the second one is 2 by 3 to 1.
Yes.
Okay, I will write here. B is 2 by 3 to 1. Then y limits. Yeah. In both the cases, y, the first one is fixed, right? Y is x. In A, you are going to 2x. And B, you are going here, right? Yeah. Yeah. You have to find y from that. No, 2 minus y value you need to find from that. That's all. Done now. Yeah. Yeah, now it will be easier. You can do it yourself, okay? I don't have space actually. You can do it actually, because this one, no verified answer. Whatever you get, that will be the final answer. Make it sure. You do the right way. You integrate with respect to y, keep x constant. Yeah. Later you will see, when we see the formal problems from the material, you will be able to check. Now you will not be able to check actually, because these are the random ones. Shall I erase everything? Because I don't have space here. Yeah, you can do here also. We can do it. Will not take more than 5 minutes, but
Can
where I can do. Yeah, we can do it now, but I don't have space and battery also, both. Yeah, but maybe let's see if speedily we can do these lines. I can't.
Yeah, remove the line.
Yeah. No, I can't erase those. No, I can't. No, I can delete. I'll make a new one. So which one you are doing? A, right?
I'm doing A.
Okay. So you have done this way: xy plus y square by 2. And then this, right? 4x square. Yeah, that is 4x square by 2. That is 2x square, right? I got 5x square by 2.
2.
2 plus 2, 4, right?
Second part.
These 2 minus, I added 3x square by 2 I got. Then I subtracted, I got 5x square by 2. Do whatever way you check that, you get 5x square by 2. Yeah.
Because it's
4 minus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. Yeah. Oh, 0 to I've taken 2 to 3. You take all constant out. That will save a lot of time. Okay. 5 by 6 you take out. You keep only x cube when you put. Okay. 0. See, I got this. Okay. You got this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 20 by 81.
Okay.
Now let's do B. X to 2 minus x, right? Okay. Yeah. I got more actually. I got 8 plus 12x. Which one? This one, right? A square
4x.
plus b square minus 2. Okay, 4x you were saying. All right. Oh, divided by 2. Okay, square is not present here. All right, then 4x minus 2x square, right? Okay, that's good. My 4x got cancelled. 4 minus 3x square I got. 4 minus 3x square divided by 4. No, minus x square, right? 4 minus x square by 4 I got. 1 minus x square by 4 and minus 3x square by 6x square by 4. But not matching with your answer. No, that we have to check. Wait. See. You are saying this is 2x minus x square plus 4 by 2 is 2 plus x square by 2 minus 2x, right? 2x get cancelled and minus 3x square by 2. Okay. So you get minus x square, right? Yeah, 2 minus 2x square. Okay. This you have to integrate between 2 by 3 to 1. 16 by 81 I got. 3 power you have to take, right? 2q by 3q. That is 81. Why you are multiplying 1 second by 3? Subtracting, right? Right. You get a negative 1. How 16 by 81? 1 by 3 was here, right? 2 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 by 3, right? Okay. 27 by 4. Again 1 8, right? Okay. 16 by 81. Yes. Then you have to add these two, right? No. 20 plus 16. That is 36. Yeah. 36 by 81. 4 by 9. Yeah. Now your exams will be multiple choice. Okay. So what will happen is you do everything correct, but if you are unable to match answer also, that will be problematic. Yeah. So there where a lot of practice is required. The difficulty level is this much only, not more than this. Okay. Yeah. You should feel fine. The time you will spend, that is what matters now. All right, then I'm leaving now. Thank you.